Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically personalize your Discord theme. Super simple to do actually. You're just going to go to user settings and you are going to scroll down until you find the appearance. That took me longer to find. As you can see, there's some themes that they already have. Oh my gosh, that's so bright. But you can also customize it here. This is the dark mode and this is the light mode. Oh my gosh, that's so bright. And you can select any color you want, of course, here. Obviously, I choose pink because it's my favorite color. You can also adjust the color intensity here. And once you're done with the color you want, you're just going to press apply. You can also add color to form a gradient, as you can see. For instance, I want pink and green, two of my most favorite colors. I probably would like the light mode a little bit better. Okay, maybe not. It's just so bright. I don't get it. You can also change the gradient direction here, which is pretty neat. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!